Hello there, Stampin' friends. Welcome to Movie Monday with Jody Breckbill, Stampin' Queen. Here is today's card we're going to create. I'm going to get right into it. This is such an awesome card with just stamping. We're going back to basics, stamps, ink, and paper. We've got no die cutting, no punching, and it is using our Snowfront stamp set from our holiday catalog. Absolutely love this. I think I say that every single time about every single item, but trust me, this is kind of a play on a set we had earlier in our big catalog called Waterfront. Now we have Snowfront. So this is kind of focusing on a little bit more of winter scenes. And I know I've been doing a lot of Christmas in my studio. I don't know about you guys, but we are gearing up for the holidays, been doing a lot of Christmas card making. And this is a great Christmas card set, but it is so great also to keep on stamping during the holiday time when we still need thank yous and thinking of yous and birthdays. And this one also lends itself a little bit to more masculine cards. We have some masculine in our catalog, which I love them also, but my husband is a little bit more of an outdoorsy guy, not so much of a fishing or horsey guy or that kind of stuff. He loves the mountains and hiking and biking and that kind of thing. And so this is a great set to create some cards for him. So I have an anniversary coming up and I have an idea that this may be our anniversary card. So I'm going to take a piece of Whisper White, but I do think, hold on. Sorry, y'all, I didn't want to leave you, but I do think I want to use the squishy pad with this because I've got a photopolymer set. And the first thing that I did was start off with Pool Party, and I'm going to stamp my mountains a couple times. I did them full strength. Super, super quick and easy to create these mountains. Whoops, take your cardstock with you. And then I'm going to use some Mossy Meadow for my trees. And I'm going to stamp it full strength one time. Slide over. My pad needs re-inked. Woo, does it ever. I'm going to do full strength again. And then just slide over. So I've got some dark and some light trees there. Then next we're gonna do, let's go ahead and do our snowman. He is in Smokey Slate. He goes right there. And then I took the little ground part and I'm gonna stamp that off so it's just a shade lighter. I'm gonna do that 2 times because I wanna have some ground for my deer to stand on as well. And there I've got my cutie little deer standing there hanging out with my snowman. That's going to get attached to a panel of mellow moss. I guess that doesn't matter, and I turned that. That's so funny. And then we're going to do that onto a piece of Smokey Slate. Okay. And then that is it. Our final part is going to be the wonderful wink of Stella on our little snow mounds. I know it's hard to see on a video, but it really does just do a little piece of shimmer and sparkle. And there you go, guys. Like a 5-minute card. How great is that? You can then put a sentiment on if you want, do a sentiment on the inside, whatever you need. So thanks so much for joining me all. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week for Movie Monday.